Who doesn't know that the fish prices are changing fast and faster in Nigeria every day, guys? Guys, today I visited three of the vibrant fish and rural market day in Delta State, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Ebys'Lady on the beat, and I'd like to welcome you back to another beautiful episode of the Fish Market Day. The fish prices are changing fast in Nigeria, and today, to meet my client demands, I am visiting three different markets in Delta State to buy fish for my clients abroad. So let's see if we can get fish at a cheaper price and see the one that is too expensive. Let's go, guys. So coming to the first market, this is Kwale Market, Ebys'Lady Market, located in Kwale in Delta State. And this is a big rural market. There's nothing that you will not find in this particular market. If you want to buy garri, you can come here. If you want to buy palm oil, you can come here as well. And if you want to buy dry fish as well, you can come. So my client specifically told me to come to Kwale Market. I don't know what she saw in Kwale. Ebys'Lady Market for me to come here and buy the fish. But definitely, I always obey my customers to come, and get their items for them. So right now, I am heading to one of my customers' shop to get the fish. And coming to this market, I plan to buy caught asa fish, mixed, buy the round one, and also buy some mud fish. Talk now, make I know.
How much you want to get?
For this one. So we agreed to pay for the other fish that I was tagging. The other one was for 25,000 naira, which is approximately $18.51, and the other one was 15,000 naira, which was approximately $11.11, I think so. And that fish is mud fish and asa fish. And the other one that was 25, I think it has like 5 pieces inside it. So guys, we are heading right now to use the POS. $100. So after using the POS, I still need more fish. I have 100,000 naira to spend in this particular market, guys. I have 100k, and right now I am looking for more fish to add to this particular, fish. We've already spent like 40,000 naira. So the ones on the floor remaining, I am not buying them. I don't have money for it, so I have to look for smaller ones because she's not going to share it. She's going to sell it the way that she shared it. You don't get cut ever. This one big well. The way we're not patient. This one how much?
That one take and 25.
How much last?
30.
How much last? Make I price. Give me 18. Eh? I live at 20 now.
He said I want 80 like I am like I want 67.
So this particular fish, small fish, was given. I was sold for 20,000 naira to me. I priced 18. They said no, 25,000 until I priced 20,000. They gave me for 20,000. So is it okay for 20,000 naira, or should I return it to them? Let me know in the comment section, guys. Good morning. I don't even ask of you. She said she don't feel you. No. What's in this one? Okay, more fish. Guys, I still need more fish, but I needed caught asa fish. and the ones that they are heaping is expensive for me to buy because I have limited cash to buy the fish.
Okay, well done. Now you there everywhere. Are they fine? This one's gonna be how much? I hope to say my money still remains. You there everywhere?
MTN.
Okay, well, I was not far from here now. I just enter motor. Abi? No. This one, how much you can shed?
Which one?
I pray. How you? Today fish can't even find past the day for Zoro. That's so market the beach. Get one fish. Why I see for that woman place?
Now me get the fish. One big one like this day inside.
Today for brand.
Don't sell them.
No, now.
You see them? Okay, now
Very fine. You know, even that day where I come, I don't even see fish wey fine the way why they see today. I swear to God. My money no reach like that again.
How much you?
What you remain my hand na 40,000 naira.
Okay.
Now remain.
See this one na 35.
I don't buy this one. Wetin I really want na that. You understand? The cotton one. So you said this one na 100 and. 100 and.
I give you 100.
This one over.
See, make I not lie for you. Wetin I buy this fish na 85.
Don't tell me how much you buy.
No,
That's so you
85
do that day
buy.
again.
No, see, nyazo ne caro. Man, because she no dey gree.
Who no dey agree?
You hear that? He say it cheap.
You too.
So I wasn't seeing the cut eba that will fit my money because they are heaped in large amounts. So I had to buy the 35,000 naira round eba, which is still good.
Person they sell them for me. I dey buy them. You sell.
This one na food. No fish meat be this.
Na chop I wan buy am for you.
Hey, sorry ma.
Eh?
So for this particular market, I've gotten the fish I needed in this market, though it didn't go in my way, you understand? But some of the fish are not yet dry. In case you are wondering, I am still going to re-dry them and bill it to the owner. In case you want to run your market errands with me, buy fish, assorted type of fish, please send me the. So this particular market runs every 4 market days. Most of the markets in Delta State are almost every 4 days, and you will see varieties. And you can come as early as possible. You are in the market, you understand? Because at the end of the day, if you don't come early, you'll be seeing those that are reselling. They will buy from the people, you understand, from the distributors and now resell to you. So if you are buying in large quantity, I think it's better you come very, very early and see if you can see the distributors, guys.
How much? The one where you tie. I get pepper for house, so now you want me to buy pepper.
Come on, buy.
How much be the okra? I put one for me now.
Your New Year for 500. My God.
If you can't add one, how much? No, give me 800.
This market is very, very huge, as you can see. There's nothing that you will not see in this particular Kwale market. It's a rural market serving all the indigenous. And from here to Ogbashuku is like 30 minutes, and from here to Asaba is like 60 minutes. That's like 1 hour. And from Asaba to Onitsha is 30 minutes. So this is the route that you'll be taking if you are going to Onitsha, Anambra State, guys. And see the market is so vibrant. The people are everything is fresh here, guys. So if you want to buy any of the items here, you can come from here to Warri. Also is like 3 hours, and you will be here.
My mother.
Moving on to the next market, which is Obujo market, that is based in the heart of Warri City, and also have fish market. So I try to buy some fish and some items in that particular market. Right now I'm going to be buying some crayfish, which is sold for a custard basket, clean one. If you are looking for clean crayfish, is 12,000 naira. If you are looking for the one that is not so neat, you can also get it at the price of 10,000 naira, guys. But me, I like to give my customer premium, need.
Lamb.
95 are the same.
The 5 now how much?
Second 75.
Should okay me. You know cost stock well now.
How much should they pay? Now market you doing? Among that.
Oh yeah, come.
If I give you the
So one can be how much now? Is there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? The 5 day here now. It can't be how much now?
She said I should price, and I priced 40,000 naira. She said no. And at the end of the day, this is Obujo market, and this fish is called, the name of this fish is called shining nose. It is very, very sweet as well. At the end of the day, we were able to sort ourselves out, and I bought the fish for 65,000 naira, guys.
This one,
I don't know if it's fair. I don't know if it's expensive, guys.
how much you shed? Eh? Perfect. I want to buy this one. Okay, now the full body be this.
Yes.
Wow. Thank you.
You just snap
Okay.
I won't tie them. I won't tie them.
What do you want that?
The fish.
Yeah.
I'm going to use carton take time for you.
You get one bag where I give you cut on there inside there.
Why went to that one? Again, it's about this one. This one. Dry one, the man is dry one.
No, I don't buy. That's sweet one.
Yes, it's sweet.
I want to take none now.
Next time now.
Give me the bag. Chance. Better fish. Chance is. Really makes sense. So this one big. Man, no lie. Maybe we'll talk this one. Which one? How you? It'll be 500. Eh? I don't get 600 to give you.
Na transfer you want to.
No, I won't give cash. They put. Okay.
So this fish is lady fish and tilapia, and they are being sold for 35,000 naira for each portion. This one is 35,000 naira, and these three was sold for 35,000 naira, and it's going for 70,000 naira for the two. And right now I'm heading to buy my bonga fish. Bonga fish, you understand? Sometimes the prices of these fish they go up, sometimes they go down. I bought 13,000 naira as of September last year, and I bought 9,000 around Christmas, and now it's sold for 8,500. And one thing you should know that this bonga fish has different sizes as well. It's sold according to the sizes. So guys, I headed to Ozoro to get an emergency fish, and since it was not their market day, I had to go to my customer's house to get this particular fish. And as you can see on the table, you can see asa fish and you can see mudfish. The whole mudfish is being sold for 130,000 naira, and the asa fish is sold for 80,000 naira, and the pieces is 14 pieces, 7,000 naira. And this woman, I don't know whether is it because that I came to her house that she's selling this fish expensive.
You price it, but it's what I buy for Kwale yesterday. It is a fish day.
So guys, can you really pay 250k for fish in Nigeria? This fish was sold for 250,000 naira in Ozoro, and I had to visit the woman at her home to get, it's a quick demand, and you need to act very, very fast so that you can get your customer what she needs.
And I think
my own is to
I fall in love with that old
guys.
woman.
I like delivering. I like acting so fast, and that was why I went to her house. This is mudfish. This fish is so beautiful and it's so nice, guys. So make sure that you are sending your messages. If you need asa fish, you need any type of fish, just send me message, send me the photo of that fish, guys. It's your girl Ebys'Lady, and right now please put on the comment section, where are you watching from? Are the fish so expensive? Will you get fish from me? Will you send me on a market errand to get your items from you? To get your items for you. Thank you, guys.
Oh, this one, say, oh my god, this one, don't just use this your answer finish. People don't see the way.
Hello, we don't go bush today. Come now.
Okay.
Go, 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 go.